Like Young Guns rookie cards. I'm pretty sure who's on it. I don't know who's in there. Svechnikov, a few people. It's pretty awesome. I'm excited. And we got this thing at Walmart today. It's called a hockey cube with a question mark. On one side, it says 2016-17 Upper Deck Series 2. And then on the other side, it's Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey, 2015-16. So it says there's 65 cards in it and 7 factory sealed packs. So I'm pretty sure they can be miscellaneous, like any year. And yeah, let's just hop right into this. I'm going to be doing this one last because it seems pretty cool, like a mystery, I guess. But this one, we know what we're getting ourselves into. Okay. Here we go. Right off the bat. 1, 2, 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 2 packs. And 1, 2, 3 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 1 packs. And then Series 2 2009-2010. This is weird and I love it. Did not know what I was actually getting myself into. I thought it was just 2018-19. This is peculiar. On the package it says there's 1 bonus pack inside, so I guess that's what this is. That's exciting. We'll open this one last. We will start off with opening these ones. Here we go. I've never opened these packs before, I don't believe. I have opened the box, the case right there, the tin right there, which has the same cards in it. So, anyways, let's get right into this. Oh, let's not get right into this. Okay. I don't know how to open packs. This is officially embarrassing. Yup. Cut that part out of the video, eh? Guess we'll have to cut a lot of parts out of the video. That's annoying as shit. Start off, we got a sideways Mikko Koivu base card. That's pretty cool. Get him out of the way. Connor McDavid base card. That's pretty awesome. Freddie Anderson, my favorite goalie in the NHL. Favorite team, obviously. Shout out, Leafs Memes 31. Let's go. Okay, so I got a little glimpse of what's next. Samuel Girard, we'll get him out of the way, and we'll open up the next card last because it is a Young Guns. It is a rookie card of someone, I don't know. Zemgus Jurgensen. Goodbye. Mark-Edward Vlasic. Exciting, I guess. Carl Alsner. And the rookie card we got is Luke Johnson. Okay. Not a great name, but a rookie nonetheless. And, you know, he could become something one day, but at the moment he is nothing, unfortunately. But still, cool to get a Young Guns. Put that aside right there. Onto our second one of these. Hopefully this one opens. It's already not opening. This is exciting. Okay. Starting off with Connor Hellebuck. Our next card, Mark Stone. Who doesn't like Mark Stone? Steven Stamkos. Stonewalled Thomas Greiss. That's exciting. That's pretty cool. Nice looking card. I don't like the color or the team, but still nice. So I'm pretty sure that's the insert of this one. Just an Abdicator, Trevor Daley, Tyler Myers, Stephen Jones to finish off the base cards. Let's take a break from the 97 one, or the 2018-19, and go to 2018-19 Series 2. Put this one out of the way. Open. Proof I can open cards. Awesome. Robin Leonard, Artemi Panarin, Michael Frolik. Nice looking card. Oh, marquee rookie. Juuso Valimaki. That's actually a pretty nice card there. The marquee rookies there go for a few dollars. That's nice. Nice looking card. Keith Yandel, Alex Wenberg, I suck, Joe Pavelski, UC Saros. Yeah, so two rookies. We'll go with Series 2, and then we'll save the 2018-19 for the rest, and then do the 2009-2010 pack to finish things off. Okay, let's just jump right into this. Pack opened. This kind of sucks so far. Start things off. We got Joel, Harrison Eck, Hampus Lindholm, Carter Hutton, Jakob Trouba. Oh, UD rookie portraits, Warren Fogle. Let's look at that again in a second. The rest of the base cards: Leo Komarov, Matt Dumba, Mark Method, Mark Method, whatever you want to call the guy. Here is the UD rookie portraits, Warren Fogle. Nice looking card. The rookie portraits are pretty cool. He's actually a pretty good player and has a bright future, so that is a good name to pull. Last 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 1 pack. Let's just get on this one quickly. Cool. Okay, starting things off with Anders Lee. Again, I don't like the Islanders. Can you tell why? Kevin Fiala, Nick Foligno. And her next card is... Oh my god. UD Canvas, Young Guns, Mikhail Vorobyev. Okay, that's actually insane. Wow. Okay, let me just set this down. Sam Bennett, Calle Yarncroc, Dion Fagoof, Bylon, and Jared Spurgeon. Get those guys out of the way, and we'll take another quick look at the Young Guns UD Campus, Mikhail Vorobyev, however you want to pronounce his name. These cards are expensive and very, very nice looking. This guy has amazing potential. Very good player. Okay, let's hop into our last of the box. 2009-2010 Series 2. Ovechkin's on the case, on the cover. That's exciting. Who was drafted in 2009-2010? I was just a young kid, so I couldn't tell you. Damn Ham Hughes. Oh my god. Nick Antropov. Oh my god. Ex-Leaf. Todd Bertuzzi. The insert's coming up. Captain's Calling. Jerome McGinley. Iggy. That's a nice back. Nice card right there. Jonathan Quick. Brad Richards. I have his rookie card. That's exciting. Brian Allen. And Matthias Oland. Hard to read their names. But yeah, that was a pretty awesome opening. 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 1 and 2. I recommend buying the box. We got a few good cards here. These are all our inserts. Jerome McGinley, Captain Calling. UD Canvas, Young Guns, Mikhail Vorobyev. UD Rookie Portraits, Warren Fogle. Marquee Rookie, Juuso Valimaki. Thomas Greiss, Stonewalled. and Young Guns Luke Johnson. So it's pretty nice.